Hello, this is Mark with Fly Rod Chronicles and Fly Fish Tie Flies, and today I am tying a Walts worm. Really not much to this pattern. Should be quick and easy. It's a great beginner fly. So let's get started. In my vise, I'm tying this in a jig style. So we have a Trout Legend J150 jig hook. It's a 60-degree bend with a 3.0 silver tungsten bead. I tie this in a lot of different colors. For the thread, we're using UTC 70 in black, but the thread color really doesn't matter too much. You can use whichever you like. I know a lot of guys use all over tan to match this fly. So first thing, we're gonna take that thread and build up a little bit of a ball of thread or a dam of thread kind of behind that bead like we've done in previous videos, and bring your thread to the back. Next up, and we're halfway through on this fly, to be honest, I'm gonna take, I like to use hairline dubbing in natural hare's ear #1. Really, this is good stuff. It has a little antron in it. It gives a nice little effect to this fly. So go ahead and put your dubbing noodle. I like to start pretty thin because I do like to try to keep the body on this tapered. Get that dubbing on there. Once you got a nice dubbing noodle, go ahead and wrap that up towards the front, and you're going to work to kind of try to build a taper as you go. So you see I'm kind of going back. So once you get that, you're going to go ahead and add in a little more dubbing if you need it, like we're going to do right here. This is all there really is to this fly. So once you got that, go ahead and get that dubbing done. Put in a half hitch. 5-6 turn whip finish. I like to put 2 of those in. And you can add some glue on there if you want, but you don't really need to. Once you have that there, go ahead and cut off your thread. That's all there is. This fly is simple, deadly, great pattern, good way to tie up the box. I tie them in different bead colors. I like the gold, copper, black, just about any bead color. Pink is also a great color, kind of a metallic pink color. So tie some of these up, great fly, and see you next week. And please like and subscribe to the videos, and we'll have more coming your way.